Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate your account temporarily. It's a quick and easy process, and the best part is you can come back whenever you are ready. So let's get into it. First of all, find the Instagram app. Now open it. Here you can find the profile icon. Now tap on it. There are 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now tap on it. Now look for the option deactivation. You can either scroll down and search for it on the search bar. It is easy to search. Now tap deactivation. Now select the option deactivation. In few seconds the Instagram app will take you here. You can now select the account that you want to deactivate. Now here you can find the option deactivate account. It is already chosen. Now scroll down and tap on to continue. Then your account will be deactivated temporarily. And that's it. You have successfully deactivated your Instagram account. Now you can take a break from the app and come back when you are ready. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.